Good morning, friends. I'm Erin. I was a counselor at Maine Teen Camp from 2005 to 2009 and then did an encore in 2013. And I live in the very charming neighborhood of Willard in South Portland, Maine. And I wanted to make you a postcard from my home, except that I thought I'd make it a little more exciting. Like so many of you, I had to cancel my regular summer travel plans that I was really excited about. And instead, I've decided to spend more time at Maine's beautiful state parks. And so I thought that we could go camping together. So we're gonna say goodbye to my little garden, bye-bye, and I'm gonna put the kayaks on the car, and we're gonna go to Lily Bay, which is a place that I haven't been yet. And so we'll see you in a little bit. Guys, we got to camp just in time and set up the tent and the canopy right as it started raining. A+ everyone, thanks for your help setting up camp. You are the greatest. Guys, what an excellent kayak we had to this little island. Thank you so much for the teamwork. Sorry we went a little wonky there for a minute, but look, now we get the sunset from our own little tiny island on Moosehead Lake. Are you Maine Teen Camp's newest camper?
You're very cute.
Yeah.
You're very close to camp.
Yeah? What do you think your favorite activity at Maine Teen Camp would be? Jewelry making? Ropes course? Band? Do you want to start a band?
You're like a big camp puppy.
Ooh, would you be friends with Penny Pines?
Oh,
No,
bye.
I think no. All right, bye-bye. Cool thing about Moosehead Lake is that there is a mountain in the middle of it. It's called Mount Kineo. It's one giant rock. It's about 1,000 feet tall. And indigenous peoples, about 10,000 years ago from all over New England, came here and made tools out of that rock. And those tools have been found all over the US in Arizona and the Pacific Northwest, which is evidence of indigenous people's trade routes, which I think is really neat. And the waves are coming. Thanks for the kayak ride, guys. Welcome to our campfire, guys. Hot tip, if you're a s'mores lover, you can upgrade your s'mores by adding a Reese's Thin instead of a regular Hershey bar of chocolate. And it is delicious. Friends, we made it home. Thank you so much for coming camping with me. I had a wonderful time with you. The corn got huge while we were away, and if anybody wants zucchini bread, give me a call. I'll send some in the mail. It'll be great. In other news, I hope that you guys are all taking good care of each other. I love you and I miss you, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.